Good morning, ladies and gents. Hard here. Welcome to the hunt. Very exciting hunt today. Something I've been wanting to try for a long time. I've never seen anybody do it. Doesn't mean it hasn't been done, but I've never seen it. So let's give it a shot. Today we are going to try to metal detect while magnet fishing and see what we can get up to. I usually hunt this spot. This is the Outer Banks. It's pretty trashy, so it's a good spot to try it. So I will be using a get my thumbnail at the same time. This 800-pound magnet, 400 pounds per side. I'm starting small. I have much bigger ones, but with it being tied to me and it's so rocky, I think I'd rather just start small, see what we can get up to. All the small stuff is pretty much what we're looking for anyway, so let's get after it. On to the hunt. Just to explain a little better what I'm doing here, I've got the magnet about 10 feet behind me on a rope, and I'm just gonna metal detect like I normally would, and every once in a while I'll check the magnet. And what I should be able to do is, if I get an irony tone like our Canadian clad, for example, I should be able to walk right past it and get it with the magnet. In a perfect world. Let's see what we got here. It sounded like I got it. Okay, that one's cutting out, so that's a perfect example. We're going to leave it and see if the magnet gets it. All right, first keeper is a penny, and I'll just stop the camera just long enough to pull the magnet in, and I'll ooh, did that go in there? I'll show you. Nothing on the magnet yet. All right, we might have something here. Beautiful 8-9 right there. Oh, yeah. This is a jumpy one. This one might be a can, but we'll do it first. Not too deep here. There's about 4 inches of sand, 5 inches of sand, then the rock. We got her. Oh, my old friend. My old friends, looks like. Oh, what's going on here? Oh. Get the hell out of here. Did I splash you guys? Okay, well, that's a set of keys, but those are rings. Wow. 3 identical rings. I don't know if those would be silver or not. They look a little copperish. Holy crap. Oh. We will check those, but those might be silver, you know. I think I can see something in there. This one here looks like copper, but how would it be the same ring copper? Doesn't make any sense. Wow. Okay, that's new. Actually, I have found a ring once before on a keychain, but not 3. Okay, let's do the magnet next, and then we'll get that 9. No, let's get the 9, then we'll do the magnet. This one actually sounds like a bottle cap. Yep, it's right on top. Okay, I'll just leave the camera on, we'll do the magnet. It's pulling really nice. Not really bogging me down at all. What the hell is that? Oh, that's a toonie. There's a lot going on here. I need more hands. That is a flattened toonie. And there's no way that's a train track toonie because it's too flat. I'd say somebody put that in a press. Weird, I'm surprised the middle didn't pop out. It always pops out. Huh. Well, that's a new one. I don't know if the bank will take that one or not. Let's keep going. The magnet's working. Ray-Bans, those ones didn't fare too well. Big high tone here. I'm in the shallows a little bit, give the magnet a chance to work, I think, better in the shallow. Come on, big silver. Oh, there she is. Strange how some pennies go this color. This is a library, American. Shout out US and shout out the Ukraine. Our thoughts are with you. Okay, I think I can see a gold ring right there. Let's check it. Oh, that's not good. Come on, baby. Oh, it's an earring. That might be gold. I don't think that was the high tone that we heard in there. They're super light, but we'll check it. And I'll let you know if there's anything on the magnet. I haven't checked it in a while. 19. Oh, it's another one. Okay. Come here.
What are you sifting for?
Another key. All right, a couple big pieces of steel and a couple of nails. Look at this scoop. We got a penny, a nail, another key, and some kind of little copper thing. Wow. One scoop. All right, another phone. Looks like a newer one than the normal ones I find. What is that? Couple of rivets or something. Okay, brass. Got a little carabiner on here. I thought these were aluminum. I guess this one's not. Okay, got something here. A rifle cartridge. Pull tab. I just got another ring. I don't even remember what it rang up. It was in with a bunch of stuff. Wow. It's got stones. That's going to be silver. Looks like it's been in here a lot longer than the other three. That's pretty. Looks like I whacked it a little bit. That's okay. That's awesome. It's been a while since I've had some jewelry. Like 2 hours. All right, let's keep going. Another penny. Let's pull a magnet in and see what's up with that. I haven't checked it in about half an hour. I'm moving very slow, so it's a little hard to get a ton of finds on the magnet. I'm really trying to keep it away from the knocks too. I don't know what a magnet like that does to... Oh, there's a coin. Sweet. Wow, that's really on there. Don't have to worry about losing those, eh? That's going to be a nickel, made after 2000 because it's got steel in it. Don't know if you guys can see that big mass right there that looks like a rock. That's actually the bottom of a piling that's been cut off. The reason I go here is because This is one of the oldest waterways. There used to be a dock here many years ago that helped carry people across the lake on the on a ferry. So anyway, that's one of the originals. So that is very old. So that's why I'm just in around here. The ring was right beside it, about 4 feet that way. So there's lots of targets here, so there's a good chance for some really old stuff. Is this guy gonna give me a copyright strike? Okay, I don't know what this is. It's a high tone. This could be a silver coin here. Oh, I can't see it. Is it yeah, it has a coin edge. Okay, we might have got something really cool here. We're gonna have to wait till the wrap up though, because I can't read it. I think we got a silver dime that looks like King George V with his cool hat, I think. Okay, we'll check that out. That's awesome. I'm still in the exact same spot around that piling. 12 live dig for sure. Missed it, but we'll look. Oh, we did not miss it. Might be on a coin spill. Oh, that's an American one. Okay. See what the other one is. I'm getting the hang of this. Miss it again. Oh, now it sounds huge. I think there's a big piece of something in here. Yeah, there is. What is it? What are you? The heck? Oh, it's a huge knife. Well, what am I going to do with that? There's no way that's going in my dive bag. It'll cut my... I'll figure something out. Got one here that sounds like clad. I don't know if I got it or not. Oh! Oh, wow! Ooh. The tone there. Wow, this is a really good spot I'm in. Look at that. I'm pretty sure that's stainless because of the way it rang up. Whoa, that's really pretty, regardless of what it's made out of. That's awesome. Here's a 13 way out here. Oh, there's more over there. Holy. What is that? Little piece of brass. Everything I say is brass today, huh? Well, it's the truth. Keep going. Oh, should we take that other one while you're here? Maybe we'll pull in the magnet. I don't know how long this video is going to be. I don't like to get them too long. Where'd you go? Okay, it's a nail. Let's see what we got on the magnet. Okay. I don't even need to. I never let go of my scoop in the water for 2 years. Today I did, and I realized it just floats beside me. Dumbass. All right. Nothing on that side. Hey, we got another coin. That is $1. Beautiful 30. Oh. Oh my God, are you kidding me? That is young Liz. The good old elk on the other side. So I think that is silver. Bringing up a 30. Pretty sure that's silver. This is amazing. Okay, let's keep going. Hope the lens is clean. I tried to clean it. This is right beside that quarter. Excuse me. Oh my Lord, there's people swimming down at the other end. Doing a polar bear dip. I would show you, but the camera won't go that far. Oh, no way. No way. No way. You gotta be kidding me. 2 in a row. It's the same quarter. Well, it's not the same quarter, it's the same kind of quarter. Unfreaking believable. Let me just have a... Okay, here's another. I'll put this on my inside pouch. I got to turn you guys off for that because it's under there, but I'll come right back and dig that target. This one doesn't. This one actually sounds like normal clad. I'm a little speechless here with what's going on around this post. I have been here before. I swear. It's another coin. Yeah, that's a modern one there. Wow. Okay, let's keep going. High tone, probably a penny, but with all the crazy stuff coming out of here, I'm filming. Show your face. That's not a penny. I don't think. Oh, it's American dime. Rosie. All right. I just stirred up this 16 here. Oh, it's a bullet shell. Okay, this was a 9. Looks like a piece of jewelry. Had a stone in it at one time, I would guess. Yeah, that's cool. Something big here. Okay, got a penny. I'm quite a bit further out. Oh, that's a wheat penny. Look at how shiny that is. And there's another shell casing here too. It's amazing how our volcanic ground affects different metals. Sometimes they come out looking like they were just minted, and sometimes they're destroyed. Let's keep going. 13. I'm right in front of the stairs, which seems to be a fairly good spot. Oh, there's a couple targets there. Oh, no way. Shut up. I'll bet you that's gold. That actually looks like my, very similar to my very first gold ring, which wasn't far from here. This looks old. Nice filigree on the side there kind of thing. Wow. Okay, well, I don't mind telling you, this video was supposed to be more about the adding the magnet fishing, but it's becoming one of my favorite hunts ever. Wow. So exciting. There's another target right here. Literally right beside it. Let's get it. Got it. Shut up. Okay, I'm about to lose my mind here. Take the other one out of my mouth. Say what you want. Wow. I don't know, that second one feels really light. It was an 8. Okay, there was another tone here, but wow. Okay, that's awesome. Let's keep going. Got a live round this time. 14. No. All right, I think this one's a blinger. Believe that's a blinger, but we will check. Nice 13 here. Almost done here. I can barely feel my fingers or my toes. It's not that cold out, but it's a long time in the water. I think I've been here about 6 hours, maybe more. Really? Big nut. Okay, I can see some jewelry there on the bottom, or something. Something shiny. Earring, maybe? Yeah, some kind of bling. All right, I am freezing, so I'm calling it a day. Let's check the magnet one last time. Oh, we got another coin. It is a dime. Awesome. We'll see you at the wrap up. All right, ladies and gents, welcome to the wrap up. Holy crap. That was my best water hunt ever. So enjoyed it. And wow. Down in that spot, I got into a pocket of really old stuff, and it was just everywhere. It's a pretty rare occurrence for metal detecting, but I'll take it. So let's get on to the wrap up. We only got 350 in clad. Most of that was done by the magnet. The magnet didn't really get a chance to work today because I got into so many targets that I was moving very slow. So the magnet didn't really get a good shake. We'll try it again for sure. I like the idea. Bunch of bullets, whole pile of pennies, bunch of keys, some bling there. Let's go to the coins. We got a American dime and penny, or dime and nickel from the 70s. We got the smashed toonie. We got a 1924 Wheatie. That's pretty cool. 1909 Canadian dime. Awesome. 92% silver, I believe. And 2 quarters from the 50s, 55 and 57, which are both 80% silver. And I don't know why I called that an elk. It's a caribou. I guess because we don't have caribou where I live, but we do have elk. Let's get on to the jewelry. So awesome. This, I believe, is stainless steel. It's beautiful. It's got blue and gold in there. A lot of people consider these junk rings. I do not. I think they're cool. The 3 silvers on the keychain, they are marked S925. They do have a very copperish look to them, but I think that's just because they're in their they're old for starters, and I think it might have had something to do with them being bundled up with a bunch of keys for a long time. But I am going to clean all this jewelry up properly. This was just a quick cleanup, but yeah, I'll clean them up properly and do a follow-up on this video. So yeah, they're beautiful. They're exactly the same ring, all 3 of them. They just have different stones. So that could have been somebody maybe who had 3 children and kept all their birthstones rings on their keychain. It's not where I'd put it, but what do I know? This one here is also silver. It's marked sterling. Absolutely beautiful. This is the oldest one by far. This one did nothing changed pretty much with the tarnish on this one in the baking soda hot water tinfoil method, which usually works quite well for me, but these ones are going to take some work. That one's the blinger. We knew that was going to be a blinger. 2 golds, both 14K. Signet ring or whatever they call it, with the initials on there, and they were very, very close together, but they do have different initials on them, so I don't know if they were lost by the same person or not, but they also look very old. It takes a lot in fresh water to turn gold dark like that and to tarnish silver as badly as those ones are. But yeah, both marked 10K, beautiful rings, and the little earring, these ones are hard to find a mark on, but they're almost always gold. Because they're so light. I mean, it's not even 1/10 of a gram of gold, so they're pretty cheap to buy, but it is 10K. I tested it with the acid test, passes 10K perfectly, fails miserably on 14K. So that's cool, a little tiny piece of gold. So that is the hunt. We will give the magnet fishing while metal detecting another shot, maybe in the next one. Hit that subscribe button. Thank you all so much for joining me. See you on the next one.